You can play with the breath by holding your breath. You can play with your breath by, as I said, just observing it.
Mhm.
You can play with your breath by synchronizing with your partner. So they inhale, you inhale. They exhale, you exhale. You can also make a circular movement.
Mhm.
So one partner would inhale as the other one is exhaling. And this makes a circular movement that also could be something very interesting.
Mhm.
Um, what we're trying to do in Tantra is like not do the right thing. We're trying to be curious explorers. So in conventional sex, you'll have this type of uh, touch, for example, or this type of breath
Mhm.
creates this type of result. In Tantra, we're kind of letting go of that and saying, what happens if we try this kind of breathing on a circular basis? What if we reverse that? What do we notice about ourselves? What do I notice is my truth about that? Do I start to get a little scared? Do I start to feel my heart opening? Do I suddenly remember my sexual abuse and need to take my space? So we're just very curious what happens with these different types of breath that we might experiment with when we're so close with someone. Maybe we hold our breath because we're afraid to get a little closer.
Mhm.
Interesting. Maybe we can talk about that a little bit. So there are many breaths we could try and learn more about our own sensuousness, our own the way it works in our body, and the way it works with this partner. And the way it works with this partner might be different than with another partner. So we
Mhm.
just stay in a state of curiosity and enjoyment of this special moment. We
Mhm.
don't get to be intimate much of our lives. Even if we make love every day, it's still only a percentage of our lives. So we want to relish and enjoy this particular coming close with this person as much as possible.
Mhm.